Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, we have won the final match in Raipur Chalijidi, and this match won from Chalijidi Raipur. Alhamdulillah, we are here Chalijidi Raipur. One of them is Rana Vakar Chauhan and second is Rana Ahmed. And this is also my friend. So I am very happy because we won this match. So I would like to introduce both of them. So firstly, Rana Vakar, please tell me your feelings about that match. As you know, you have won the match and your performance is very well. You got man of the series, mashallah. So please explain your thoughts with us.
Individually, I am very happy and very glad after this match because we have won this match and individually and with my companion
Also
Rana
played
Ahmed,
very well.
both we played very well, Alhamdulillah, and we are very grateful to Allah Almighty for this successful moment, Alhamdulillah. Thanks to all my spectators who give support us.
So secondly, I would introduce Rana Ahmed, who is man of the match. He also played very well. He hits 6 or 7 sixes and he played through all the tournament very well. So I would like to him, he explains his thought in front of you. So please tell me your feelings about the match and you can speak in Urdu as well.
Firstly, thank you very much because this is a special day for us. We know very necessary.
Yes, this is very necessary.
This is very necessary for
that
us.
match.
Okay, thank you.
So here we won the match and Alhamdulillah we are enjoying. You can see the ground and there are thousands of people who are enjoying the match. So here is group photo.
छोटे